I love you. You love us. We are happy family of Easy Elimu. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Measuring mass in kilograms. Do we remember what we did in grade 2? We said the unit for measuring mass is kilogram. Mass is simply weight. So we have our sugar here. And this is our sugar, which is 1 kilogram. So we want to find out what else is equal. How many potatoes can we equate to this kilogram? So we are saying how many potatoes make a kilogram. Let's see. Will this one balance this? So we need 1, 2, 3. What if I put on this one? Will it balance? No. So how many do I need? I need 4 large potatoes to balance my 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equals to how many? 4 potatoes. Let me see. How many tomatoes make a kilogram? How many tomatoes make a kilogram? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So how many tomatoes make a kilogram? We are saying 1 kilogram is equals to 8 tomatoes. Okay, so what can you say? If 1 kilogram is equals to 4 potatoes and 1 kilogram is equals to 8 tomatoes, what can you say between the potatoes and the tomatoes? We are saying the tomatoes are lighter than the potatoes. Or we can say the potatoes are heavier than the tomatoes. Are we together? You can now go home and try using the onions, using the garlic. Use all those things you use in the kitchen. The ginger, the garlic, the cucumber, eggplant, all those, and see how many will weigh on a 1 kilogram. Okay? Any question? Any problem? We have said we go home, measure the ginger, the garlic, cucumber, and the eggplant. Tomorrow when we meet, we want to see 1 kilogram is equals to how many cucumber, 1 kilogram is equals to dash, eggplant, like that, like that, like that. It was nice having you around. I want to wish you all the best.